So in this video, we're going to be finding the LCM of this following set of expressions. Okay, now you should remember that the LCM is the product of the highest power of prime factors if they are numbers, basically. But if they are not numbers, it's just the product of the highest power of the factors. So the first thing we need to do is we should identify the factors. The factors are x minus y, and then we have what? X plus y. X minus y has been captured and x plus y has been captured. So the highest power of this factor, x minus y squared, this is x minus y, so we pick x minus y what? Square, then multiply by x plus y cube, multiply by x plus y raised to power 3. So therefore the LCM in this case will be what? X minus y into bracket x plus y cube. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.